Hello and welcome to Corvette in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Jan Hermstad. You can find me by phone or email at the office or directly by cell phone. Today I'm looking at a 2010 white with Cashmere interior convertible. The top is Cashmere as well. A gorgeous car with less than 5,000 miles. Less than 5,000 miles. Stupid low mileage and stupid night. That's what my boss said. Gorgeous. It is so quiet and it runs so good I can hardly hear it run. And it's very, very smooth on the roadster. Hard to do a sound clip on this car. Beautiful. Take you inside from the passenger side. Cashmere interior. That's my camera bag in the passenger seat. Does not come with the car. Got navigation. Does have the Bluetooth package. OnStar. I mean, it's too many things for me to list here. Look at that beautiful wood accent they did to the center console. Coming out of the driver's side. Down to the gumby wheels. Swing around to the rear. Where you can see the trunk is clean. Another quick sweep to the driver's side. This is where you'll be sitting once you own it. Drive around in this beautiful, beautiful rare car. Less than 5,000 miles on it. 2010. So it is an LS3, as you can see on the engine. Beautiful headlight covers. Gorgeous car. Here I'm just doing another video behind the first one in the shade a little bit so that you can get a better lighting on the video. I hope you will call me since I'm making the effort to make a video for you. You can find me on the number on the screen or direct my cell, which is 404-993-5964, or at the store 770-414-5552. Look at this gorgeous, clean car. Of course, it's got a clean Carfax. The paint is very, very shiny. Stunning shine. Convertible top is excellent, no rain marks or anything. Correct Goodyear Eagle F1 EMT runflat tires, an average of 730 seconds on the front and about 930 seconds on the back. The sunglasses are mine. They don't come with the car. Got to take them off to do the video. Beautiful interior. Can't look at this enough. I hope you will like it and call me personally. And if you do come and buy this car, I have a special treat for you. Gotta give you something, but it's a surprise. Look at that gorgeous car. It could be in your driveway as soon as you call me and make the arrangements. We're in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's getting hot out there today. Beautiful day for top-down car done. One thing I got to say about that white with Cashmere is that it never gets hot like a dark color car. So you can't fry an egg on a white car. So you can sit in the car in shorts and be comfortable. So here's the best way to find me. call me at my cell phone direct 404-993-5964 or my office number 770-414-5552. Read the description in the ad that is listed on our website at www.buyavet.net. Look at that gorgeous car sitting by itself in the parking lot there. Beautiful. I hope you'll come and see it in person, drive it. We also if you're outside the Georgia area. This car also comes with a 2-year 50,000 warranty. You can read details and disclosures on the website. And we're now coming toward the end of the video, and I will also show at the end a little bit of driving the car, because I did that. And here we go. I'm driving down the access road just adjacent to I-85, and we're located just south of the Spaghetti Junction on the north side of town. And here I'm riding down the road to Buyavet. We're coming up on the Buyavet sign. The car's just smooth, silky smooth. Please call me. I'm Jan Hermstad, and there's my pretty picture. And have a nice day, and thank you for looking.